children. Let us now discuss some map-based questions for the lesson that we have just completed. Now, here is a rough map that I have drawn for the activity. Now, let us see the questions. Name and locate. Number 1. A place from where original manuscript of Rig Veda is found by the archaeologist. Well, we all know that the Rig Veda was written in the northwestern region of our Indian subcontinent, and the original manuscript of Rig Veda has been discovered by the archaeologists from the region in Kashmir. So, the answer to the first question is Kashmir. The original manuscript was discovered from the region of Kashmir. Now, the second one. Name and locate the place where manuscript of Rig Veda is preserved presently. Now, it has been discovered from the region of Kashmir, but is it still kept there only from the place where it was discovered? No. For the safety of the original manuscript, which is very delicate, as it was written on the bark of birch tree, it is preserved in the museum in the city named Pune, which is in the state of Maharashtra. Now, in the map over here, since this is a physical map, it will be little difficult for you all to identify the states. But Maharashtra lies in the Deccan region, and is the neighboring state of Gujarat. This is our state of Gujarat, and this will be the neighboring state of Gujarat, that is the state Maharashtra. And in the state of it is not so small, it is Maharashtra, means big state. In the state of Maharashtra is the city Pune, where the original Rig Veda is preserved. Okay, now question 3. Name and locate the place on banks of river God where special burials are discovered. These special burials are basically of generally the adults only. Okay. Now the river God we have studied is the tributary of river Bhima, which flows again in the state of Maharashtra. Right. So, in the state of Maharashtra lies the place called Inamgaon, where special burials, dead body buried in a four-legged jar in the center of the house, such burials, right? The special burials have been found. The answer is Inamgaon in the state of Maharashtra. Now let us see question number 4. You have to name and locate any 3 important megalithic sites. Now what are megalithic sites? Megalithic sites are sites from where megalithic burials, or the burials which are marked with huge stones and boulders, are found. So as we have discussed, the one is Inamgaon in the state of Maharashtra. The second is Brahmagiri state of Karnataka. Okay, now just see on the map over here. This is the rough boundary of the state of Maharashtra, and Karnataka is the neighboring state of Maharashtra. So it will be somewhere here. This is the smallest state of Goa, and Karnataka, which is neighboring to both Maharashtra and Goa. So here will be the megalithic site Brahmagiri. The third site is Adi, Chana, L-L-U-R, Lur. Adi Channallur. It is in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now here is the state of Tamil Nadu, the southernmost state of our country. And here is the megalithic site Adi Channallur. Children, you all are required to do this map activity in your lab manual. Copy down these questions on the lined page of your practical book and on the political map of India. Please locate the places as shown in the video and in this political map of India. If you have any doubts, any queries, please contact me.